Hello everyone, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra. And in this video, I have brought four very important questions based on logical Venn diagrams. I have tried to pick up four different kind of questions here so that you can understand the different ways in which questions may be asked from this topic in various competitive exams. Let's have a look at the first question now. The first question that I have chosen here is a previous year question from the RRB exam which was asked in the year 2004. In this question, you have been given one particular Venn diagram and a set of four options or four categories has been given to you, and you have to identify which one suits the given Venn diagram the best. If you look at option A, animals, insects, cockroaches, so all three of them are interrelated. So this cannot be the correct option for the given Venn diagram because we can see that one circle is totally in isolation from the other two. If you look at option B, animals, males, females, hermaphrodites. We have four different labels here, but we have three circles, so again this cannot be justified. If we look at option C, states, districts and union territories, this seems to be correct because if we consider the outer circle to be the state, the inner one could be the district. We know that all districts, they fall under the category of states, and the one that is aloof or the one that is separate can be considered to be the union territories, because union territories neither fall under the category of districts nor under the category of states. So that marks option C as the correct answer to the first question. In the second question, we have been given four different Venn diagrams and you have to identify that Venn diagram which gives the correct relation between teachers, scholars and students. We know that teachers can be scholars and teachers can be students as well. Similarly, scholars can be teachers and scholars can be students also. Students may be scholars and students may be teachers as well. So that means all the three given terms, they are interrelated. So obviously option D would be the correct answer to this particular set of items that is given to us here. The third question, again a very important one, which was asked in the SSC CGL exam in the year 2015. Three different shapes are given here: a square, a triangle and a circle. The triangle represents the urban, the circle represents the educated and the square represents hockey. In these figures, you can find numbers written from 1 to 7 and you have to identify that area which represents urban, educated, who do not play hockey. That means the overlapping region between urban and educated, or the overlapping region between the triangle and the circle, which I see as the number 4 here. So that marks option C as the answer to this one. The fourth and the last question for this video, it's quite similar to question number 3, but slightly more complex. Here, the circle represents the professionals. So we'll be writing it down here to make the things simple for us. The square represents the dancers. The triangle represents the musicians. And the rectangle represents the Europeans. So these are four different figures which represent four different category of people. In these four different shapes, you can find the numbers written from 1 to 11. And out of these, you have to identify which is neither a dancer nor a musician, but is a professional and not a European. That means basically we have to identify the number which falls under the category of only professionals. So instead of checking with all the 11 numbers given to us, we'll just check with the four options that are given to us in order to save time. So the first number is 8. I find 8 written in the triangle and the triangle stands for musicians, so it's ruled out. The number 11 is present in the rectangle which stands for Europeans, again ruled out. The number 1 is again present in a triangle which stands for musicians, so we are not looking for musicians here. And number 10 is present in the circle which represents professionals. So yes, we were looking for that particular number, and the correct answer is option D here. So these were 4 different questions which I picked up specially for you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share your comments in the comment section, and also share this video with your other friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Subscribe to our channel if not done yet. And of course, thanks for joining me. I'll be back soon with another important video on reasoning shortly.